Oh boy, yeah, this is the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone, and this may very well be the best $20 microphone that you can get right now on Amazon, or less if it's on sale. This comes with the mic, of course, the windscreen, the clip, and this has a button cell battery, LR44 button cell battery. You can hook this up to a smartphone, a camera, and of course a PC. Now I'm using a USB adapter on my Dell computer for greater functionality, such as hooking up a headset to the USB adapter and controlling the volume from the USB headset itself. But honestly, I just tested this right before doing this recording. It's not that bad. I mean, it's not the same as a $100 microphone like this Fi-Fi microphone here, but honestly, if you're just getting started or for a quick recording, or maybe you don't like wearing a headset like I do, I don't mind the headsets, even though somebody said I look like an air traffic controller. Anyway, this is not a bad deal, and I think this is probably the best $20 mic right now on Amazon. So check out the Boya BY-M1 mic. Not a bad deal at all.